Hi. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your blog so it shows instantly. First, let's have a look at the portal. So essentially what you do to change the blog is to just copy the file and add new content. To add a new blog is we just copy a file, and there's two files. There's the metadata, which provides structure and the design, and then the actual content. So all we're going to do, make a copy of this. We go inside. So here I'm going to change the image. We will give it a new name. Now after copying the file, the blog is there. However, to make it appear in your blog post, there's one more thing you have to do. So what we've done the first part. We've copied a folder with all the stuff in. Then we edit it, but then to make it actually show in the blog, we need to update the post. So from here, I copied, and then we just go to posts, which is here. Might be different for Business in the Box. I'm using the same as Business in the Box for my blog as well. So all essentially do to make it appear there is we add it here. Now, just make sure there's a comma. That's important. That's how TypeScript works, and that's how JavaScript works. And so now if we go to the blog page, we see it is there. So thanks for watching, and if there's anything you need or would like to know, disable a page, you simply just change the name of the page, or you could delete it and put it into a file quite easily. So what I would do is I'd go in here and I would just change this to MD, and that makes the article not appear because it's not a page. And that's essentially how you iterate and add new pages, do new stuff. So it's all there for you.